Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking a Bath, and the bathroom is on the place where you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook. Bang. Now guys, it's finally here. I'm dropping the course that can change your life. Now, a couple of weeks ago I made a video of how I earned 6 figures with a smart YouTube channel, and a couple of you was kind of surprised, so I wanted to put together a course where I can show you exactly how you can earn 6 figures also. It's been a 2-year process. If you follow the channel, you know every year, New Year's, I set goals for the channel. 2 years ago, I said I wanted to become more financially literate, and I want to look into velocity banking to where you can become your own bank, fund your own products. Now, during this process, guys, a lot of videos, a lot of reading, a lot of self-help books, and also some investment, not only in time but some money. You know, I have to invest in some documents and stuff like that, go through some courses and stuff like that, to where I feel comfortable putting together a course that I think is good for the community. In the streaming community, we always look to save money. A lot of us are entrepreneurs, so we're always looking to make money. And with the recent new laws coming down from streaming and stuff like that, a lot of the lines of income that we have probably will be interrupted soon. So this is a great opportunity for you to invest into yourself and see how I'm making money, guys. But enough of me talking, let me show you the course. Hey family and friends, it's here. This is a course of how you can earn multiple lines of income and how you can become a 6-figure earner. That's right, guys. You can work your way up to becoming a 10%er or a 1%er, depending on your drive. I put together this course based on experience, ups and downs in life, to where I had to decide exactly what I wanted to do with hard times hit. Sure enough, Corona came, and then I experienced personal finance issues, and so I had to go out there and get it. This course will give you the basis of how you can fix your credit, fix other people's credit. It will also show you how you can get certifications from Google and how you can market those skill sets to where you can charge over $100 an hour. I've seen people charge $700 just for one job that only takes a couple of hours to do. It also going to show you what I'm doing currently to make money if you're interested in that. But the most important thing is my next move into real estate and how you can acquire your homes without having that loan attached to your Social Security and without applying to a bank, guys. This is the next big thing, how you can turn those homes into rental properties or Airbnb. Invest into yourself and start earning multiple lines of income today. All right, guys, so welcome to the course, how to get multiple lines of income, your 6-figure journey. Okay, now this is the landing page, and basically it is a description of the course. The price is $200, a very small investment for you to earn 6 figures. You can start earning money after you finish the course, almost overnight. It depends on your drive. After you finish with the course, you're going to get a certification, and then you will be well on your way to your 6-figure journey. After you buy, you're going to get an email. You're going to log in with the information that comes to your email. Let me just log into it right here. All right, hope I put that in right. The first course is credit for your 6-figure journey, and you can see right here 7 files. Look, guys, you're gonna be able to download all of the associated attachments, meaning how to acquire skills quickly to earn money. Again, gonna show you how you can go to Google, get certifications, and then how you can market those skills. Almost overnight, you're making money. And then the last course, what do I do to make money? And you can see all of the files attached. Now, when you come right here to reference and credit, in reference and credit attachment, where you will find the hotspot videos to make money selling hotspots. And again, that is something that we sell at $100. You get in that completely free. The first module alone can help you become a 6-figure earner if you just want to stay in that niche. But we just don't stop there. We give you ideas where you can fit in. And this is why this course is unique, because it is a broad net. Give you the basis for everything. I can charge $3,000, $3,500, $4,500, where I see other gurus selling information. $200 is a small investment. One of the things you're gonna have to do is be driven, and you're gonna have to decide how far you want to dive down in more research. But I'm giving you the sauce right here. So go ahead, pay that $200, get that $100 video for free in the attachment section. Watch these videos and start earning 6 figures today. Peace. there you have it. A $200 investment can change your life. This information, guys, is giving you the basics you need to get up, start earning money today. It's your boy Taking the Bathroom. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Guys, this is life changing. I told you. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.